So, what did you make of the reference to doing the same as we did in the 80s, which saw a significant number of police people having their homes burnt? A number were killed in that process. Is that what your members are relating to, particularly the older ones?
It is exactly that, but as well, I mean, even besides that, we have been seeing a lot of police killings in recent times. Those were killed on duty and off duty as well. So the mysteries around what really is the cause. But however, it does not take away the fact that you cannot have public figures like Julius echoing such talk, you know. I think, of course, again, I mean, what he's complaining about, what he's accusing police of is not really there, because every time there is a protest, there needs to be certain meetings that are held. That's standard. Joint operations committees, which obviously discuss the safety of the area, the routes they're going to be using, and all these other dynamics. Now, that was agreed upon, so there was no problem in what happened there, because everything that was agreed with between the EFF and the law-abiding agencies was what they gave them. They were even lenient, they even gave them extra people too much. So that was one of the process. Now, when Julius decides to, or rather his organization decides to defy those agreed processes, I mean, what is supposed to happen? Are we then supposed to insert police on the basis of, because people cannot get exactly what they want? Can't be like that.
And what is Popcru going to do about this? I mean, firstly, have you indicated to the EFF that you want a meeting, a discussion? If you're not doing that, what do you plan to do instead?
We have a pending meeting with the SAPS management at top level, because besides what happened with the EFF recently, there have been challenges around police killings. So, but we want to approach this in a manner that does not seek to create more strife, rather to have some form of engagement, because it's going to be quite important that if we are to deal with the crime situation in the country, we don't act as individuals, but we need everybody to come on board as well, including the EFF itself.
News.
Experts.
Analysis.
Where things stand.
What you need to know. Drive home with John Perlman
On 702.